Then he decides, no, I don't want to challenge it.
What you looking at? So this is my diesel setup. When you're doing these diesel drops, it literally takes like 2 minutes. Hey y'all, so we're back with another video, and today is going to be a day in the work life with me. As you know, I am also a female truck driver. If you have watched before, so I'm gonna get what I can get, show y'all what I do at work, tell y'all about the things that I do at work, and yeah. So yeah, tell y'all about the things I do at work, and show y'all what I do. I also have a TikTok, but I will do a more in-depth video whenever I remember to bring my tripod. Me hooking everything up and stuff like that. If I can catch what I can catch, then I'm gonna catch what I can catch, basically. So enjoy the ride. We might talk too. I don't know. Do y'all want to know how to get into trucking? Do y'all want to know how is night trucking? Do y'all want to know any tips and tricks on, you know, truck driving, being a new truck driver? Or I'm not new, but do you want to know about how it is working in a male-dominated industry? Do you females want to know what it's really like to be a driver and not a fucking passenger front seat princess sitting up there looking pretty with y'all titties perking out and then getting mad when these men be hitting on y'all? Do y'all want to know? I don't know. See y'all when I get to work, or enjoy the ride. I don't know. Bye. Well, we go. This is why truck drivers be fat, because I'm taking this whole box to work with me, but I want to work out of it. Right now, I'm just establishing my workout routine. We'll work on the eating habits once I'm comfortable in the gym. Okay, so yeah.
On my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak, understanding that my knees go weak. What's happening to me in the dark? Can you tell me what it is?
I'm taking this bucket because I'm giving it to the job. My kids already got too much candy. I am supposed to have to blow my nose because I feel like I had some boogers in it. But yeah, this is how I look. Let's go out and wipe this nose. Trying to get rid of it. You too. sure I might be the last one to come to work because I'm supposed to be here for 5 o'clock. It's an hour later. I don't care. As long as I get here, I do my loads before 5 o'clock, then we good. So, yeah. Okay, let me start the truck and then we'll do the pre-trip. Seems like this battery is dying. Oh, I almost forgot. Press this little button right here and turn on all the lights for you. And it'll tell you it's doing the system check. This is going to be a fast inspection because I drive this truck every single day. So, yeah. Make sure you're looking at the tires. And then for us, we have to check the inside of our hoses and make sure our gaskets and stuff are there. Make sure we have our cones. Then some of the trucks, the lights don't work, but check on. Y'all really can't see. It's dark. This hose needs to come off the truck trailer because it does not work. You go in here, make sure you got the lights on. If you do, turn it on. Make sure I got all my drop guns, spill pads. Make sure I have what is this? Placards. Yeah, more trucks. Make sure I don't hear no leaks. Y'all know how this goes. So the back of my checking this side. Tire. Make sure your kingpin arm ain't out. Yeah, check your lines. But I gotta hurry up because I'm actually running behind, but not really. But next I take my hard hat out. Take my water out. Take my paperwork. And I put it up here. Then I take my gloves and I throw it on this side. I take my crowbar, put it on that side. Take my charger, hook my charger up, y'all. I take this and I put this right here because my phone sits right there. So. And yeah, next we clean the truck. Gotta get some more of these, some more Clorox wipes because I mean it's dirty. Okay, they like to touch the truck with their gloves, but yeah, I'm gonna slip these. yeah, take it to the first spot. So once I do that, I write the time down that I make it there. They want military time, so I made it here at 18:48. Write that on your paperwork. Then we finna get out. A lot of these racks want you to do a walk around on your truck. Make sure you don't have any leaks. Make sure you don't have any vapor leaks. It's two different leaks. It's regular leaks and vapor leaks. So yeah. And I hate this one rack because first of all, they do not clean the racks, and I wish I can show y'all, but this is one of the nastiest jobs ever. And I feel like I constantly talk about this, but they don't clean these places. But this one rack only got one arm. It's gonna take me 30 minutes just to load. So we're about to get out. You pull your brakes, put your truck in neutral, turn that bitch. Turn it off. Butcher, you gotta turn it off. Now let's do a walk around. Y'all with me? For real. I will talk to y'all when I get to Dallas. Okay, y'all, we finished picking up the load and now we're about to go delivery. So see y'all at the gas station. Bye.
Turn right. You've entered the parking lot for your destination.
Okay, so couldn't show y'all what's going on because out here in Dallas, you really have to be paying attention to your surroundings, especially if you're a female. They just had a Mexican guy on a bike when he was passing by. He went like, ooh wee. Okay, so I had to bend down to put the stuff, and he just kept staring at me. So, I'm already, I'm not new to this, true to this. So I'll be watching around in case I gotta. He came over here on this side of the truck thinking I couldn't see him by these dumpsters right behind the door, but I unload on that side of the truck. You see all the people that be walking around? I be too fucking paranoid. I be too paranoid. Especially being a female out here at night, because ain't nobody gonna save me. Who gonna save me? These people already don't like to stand up for people who get bullied. So if somebody was to try to save me, I'd be shocked. But all else, I gotta defend myself, okay? So he was sitting over here, bending down, just sitting and just fucking staring at me. And I'm
thinking maybe I'll challenge this for a fumble. Then he decides, no, I don't want to challenge it.
He was like, what you looking at? So, me, look at him. There you go.
So I gotta come up with the cash. Well, at least they're still the real Buffalo Wild Wings. Let's go.
So I'm gonna go ahead and back up out of him. Y'all gonna see him? Yeah, I already showed y'all. He came his ass back over here. But boy, I bring your ass over to this truck and quit. I don't give a damn. Never did. Most likely won't talk to y'all till I get to my third load, and that way I'll just show y'all what I'm hooking up. My next load that I'm going to do is I'm about to pick up some. That truck just ran that light. That truck just ran that light. He definitely just ran that light. But I'm gonna go pick up some diesel. And like I said, that load is going damn near to Oklahoma. So yeah. I might show y'all that drop or whatever. I don't know. I'll talk to y'all again. And then y'all was like, want to send me to my last drop because, like I said, I do not want this vlog to be long, and this vlog really will not be edited either. So, yeah. Talk to y'all later. So, second load, as you see, is the rack is packed up, but we going to, I don't know, we're going to sit here and we're going to have to wait. I really have to use it. These bathrooms are not woman friendly. That's another thing. Female truck drivers, if you can stop at a truck stop to use the restroom, please do so. I deliver to all QTs, and those bathrooms are even disgusting, nasty, petri. Is the gate broke? The gate must be broke. See it open. So why here you go? Yeah, I don't know. This is what a QT looks like. Okay. Got chips on the floor. Just I gotta dust that out. Yeah, I gotta do it. My diesel setup. When you're doing these diesel drops, it literally take like 2 minutes because you don't got much to hook up. You let the trailer vent through the vents that it already have. Make sure you get your diesel drop caps out so diesel don't be spilling everywhere. But yeah, so you know you're not supposed to. I'm about to go eat my food because when else do I have time to do it? As long as I can see what's going on back here, they better leave me alone. I'm hungry. I'm just so my diesel drop is done. So I'm about to sit here and eat what I cooked today. It was supposed to be soul food Sundays, but yeah, not today. I did some beef and broccoli with some rice that I tried to spice up because I can't eat regular white rice. And then I did some macaroni for my girls because they don't really eat the other stuff. So yeah, that's what it's looking like. And I watch a TV show. So see y'all probably at the end of the day. We'll probably just keep counting the load so y'all can see and go over the time. But yeah, see y'all most likely at the end of the day. Hey y'all, currently 12:55. It is the 13th, and we're on our third load. We have one more after this. Okay, so this is our remote drops. Can't stick these tanks if y'all did not know. I'm out of breath, but yeah, our last drop. I look like a straight up boy. Made it to our last drop. I don't know, they somewhere right there, but we're at the truck stop. But I'm delivering on the auto side, and yeah, it is currently 2:31. I left that plant at 1:50, so let's get to it. Last one. Okay, y'all, so we are all done. It is 3:02. Load is dropped. I am done with work. I'm about to head back to the yard, put fuel in here, and then when I'm at the yard, I'm gonna go ahead and throw my workout clothes on because I'm gonna go to the gym. It's gonna be my 5th mark on my 5th mark on the mirror. I'm trying to keep track. I said I want to go to the gym at least 21 days. Not one. So yeah. So basically 11 hours was done roughly around, I got to work at 5:40. Well, 6 o'clock. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. 11 hours worth of work was done within 9 hours. So let's head back to the yard. Closing out this work day in life, whatever day in the life. Wait, what would it called? A work day in the life for me. Come to work with me, vlog, so you see what our tank